Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some delicious and colorful fruits in Hindi through English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to name a variety of fruits in Hindi. Our first fruit is the peach. In Hindi, we say adu. Can you say adu with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Peach. Adu. Peach. Adu. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the sapota. In Hindi, we say Chiku. Can you say Chiku with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Sapota. Chiku. Sapota. Chiku. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the strawberry. In Hindi, we say strawberry. Can you say strawberry with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Strawberry. 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 We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the musk melon. In Hindi, we say kharbuja. Can you say kharbuja with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Musk melon. Kharbuja. Musk melon. Kharbuja. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the orange. In Hindi, we say santra. Can you say santra with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Orange. Santra. Orange. Santra. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the jackfruit. In Hindi, we say kathal. Can you say kathal with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Jackfruit. Kathal. Jackfruit. Kathal. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the gooseberry. In Hindi, we say avla. Can you say avla with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Gooseberry. Avla. Gooseberry. Avla. Fantastic. You did it. We've learned some fascinating fruits in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words to build your vocabulary. Now let's have a quick recap. Peach, adu. Sapota, chiku. Strawberry, strawberry. Musk melon, kharbuja. Orange, santra. Jackfruit, kathal. Gooseberry, avla. Thank you. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning fruits in Hindi with us. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Dhanyawad and until next time.